Hi, in this video we're going to demonstrate how to use the background workflow engine feature regarding scheduled campaigns. Here we are inside of our account. We're on the Account tab, click Setup, open up the background workflow engine, and you'll see here scheduled campaigns, organizations, contacts, and leads. All of these three right here are going to follow the same workflow that I'm about to demonstrate. So to use this feature right here, there's a couple of things that you're going to want to do as a prerequisite. When you open up this page, you'll see that I have no rules in here. If I go to create a new rule, right now I've got a saved search for a new lead. If I don't have a saved search, this box is going to look like a little tiny drop down and I'm not going to have anything to select here. So the place where this box is pulling from is from a saved search for an organization record. So let's take a quick look there at organization. So to go into the advanced search of an organization, you'll see here that I have a saved search. To create a saved search, you just like you would create any other search. So if I wanted to create a saved search based on any one of these, I would simply go down here and I would save my search. So since I've got a saved search here, I'm going to see that I have that same option right here. So basically what this feature is going to allow us to do is it's going to allow us to run a saved search and associate it with a drip campaign. So again, if you don't see any values in this box right here, it's because you do not have a drip campaign ready to go. So your drip campaigns, the things that are going to show up in this drop-down value, are going to come from the marketing tab. So you have to have a drip campaign ready to go. So you build your drip campaign. One thing that people sometimes get caught up on is you have to make sure your drip campaign is published. If you don't see published and you don't check that box, then this drip campaign is not going to be available for use in your background workflow engine. Once you have those two things ready to go, you go into the background workflow engine, you'll create new leads, you'll create your saved search and give this you'll select your saved search and you'll select your campaign. You'll give it a name. And then this section down here is useful for updating a filled group or inputting a date. So you can either put the date or a Y for yes. So the way this works best is when you define your saved search, you build a saved search where you would eliminate something like this, where broker's name does not equal Y, so that as soon as that person receives the campaign, then they would be excluded from that search criteria. So let's talk through what's going to happen there. So basically, when this campaign does this query, it's going to attach that drip campaign to anybody that it matches. So you want to use this section right here to update this value so that after it associates that campaign to this person, that it does not associate that campaign again. If you don't do something like this, you're going to run the risk of sending multiple emails to the same people. Now, if you want to exclude a certain search from your drip campaign, you can also look at the advanced drip campaign settings and you can limit the availability, the drip campaign, only if it satisfies a certain search criteria. So that's a way that you can stop the delivery of those duplicates. Thank you.